Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop channel for all things shopping. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two hot contenders, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max. It's a showdown between speed and size, budget and bling, and, well, a whole lot of plastic spaghetti. Let's get printing! First up, let's talk about the all-important factor, price. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M is a wallet-friendly option at $399. On the other hand, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is priced at $719, almost double the price. Reviewers appreciate the Flashforge for its affordability and reliable performance, making it an excellent entry-level option. If budget is a concern, Flashforge is your go-to. Now, let's talk about speed. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M boasts a max speed of 600 millimeters per second, while the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max offers a max speed of 500 millimeters per second with a recommended speed of 300 millimeters per second. Reviewers note that the Flashforge is incredibly fast, making it ideal for those who want quick prints. However, the Anycubic also impresses with its speed, albeit slightly slower. In this category, Flashforge edges out by a whisker. When it comes to print size, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max takes the lead with a massive 16.5x, 16.5x, 19.7-inch build volume. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M offers a decent print size but can't match the sheer scale of the Anycubic. If you're working on large projects, the Anycubic is your best bet. Reviewers love the Anycubic for its ability to handle oversized prints. Ease of use is crucial, especially for beginners. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M features full auto one-click leveling, making it very user-friendly. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max also has auto leveling and supports custom Z-axis compensation values. Reviewers appreciate the Flashforge's easy setup and user-friendly software, while the Anycubic's smart app control is a hit for tech enthusiasts. Both are easy to use, but Anycubic's advanced features give it a slight edge. Print quality is a key factor for any 3D printer. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M offers vibration compensation and precise extrusion, resulting in smooth prints. Reviewers praise its quality prints and reliable performance. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max also features vibration compensation and flow control, producing high-quality prints. If you're a stickler for detail, Anycubic's optimized configuration might just have the edge. Both printers deliver top-notch quality. Let's talk features. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M comes with a filament runout sensor and power loss recovery, providing extra reliability. Reviewers appreciate these backup features. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max offers smart app control and excellent customer service, allowing for remote printing. If you love remote control and smart features, Anycubic is your go-to. Both printers have their unique strengths in this category. Reviewers find the Flashforge Adventurer 5M to be an excellent entry-level option with easy setup, user-friendly software, and reliable performance. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is praised for its large build volume, advanced features, and excellent customer support. Both printers have their strengths, catering to different needs and preferences. So there you have it, folks. Flashforge Adventurer 5M is your budget-friendly speedster, while Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is the ultimate powerhouse with all the bells and whistles. Whether you're a newbie looking to get started or a pro ready to tackle big projects, both of these printers have something to offer. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart shopping tips. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.